Okay, welcome to all of you. Today we will study about logarithmic function. What is logarithmic function and how we can start this function. So first of all, any number, suppose we have any number given real positive number n, we can represent n is equal to a raised to the power x. This one is called exponential representation. If you take some example, let's take, we can write 4 is equal to 2 raised to the power x. So what is the value of x? So we can get x is equal to 2. So we can write 2 raised to the power 2. So x is equal to 2. Okay, so any number means real positive number can be expressed as n is equal to a raised to the power x. Two conditions would be there. First one, a should be greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1. First thing. So n is equal to a raised to the power x is called exponential presentation. If we write n is equal to a raised to the power x, then this one is called exponential presentation. Exponential presentation. Next one is, if we write log n and base is a and this x is as a power x, so same we can write these two, n is equal to a raised to the power x and log n base a is equal to x, both are equivalent. This type of presentation is called logarithmic presentation. Logarithmic presentation. Okay, so if any number is given, in example 2 raised to the power x is equal to 4 is given, then how we can convert 2 raised to the power x in form of log? So if 2 raised to the power x is equal to 4 is given, then this one is called exponential presentation. If we try to convert this in the form of logarithmic presentation, then we can write log 4 and base 2 is equal to x. So what is the value of x? The value of x is equal to 2. You can check in log, we have two terms, log 4 base 2. So how many times we multiply 2 to get 4? So the value is 2, means we can multiply 2 by 2 times, 2 into 2, then we get 4. So this one is the in form of logarithmic presentation. Example, some more example. If we take some other example like 10 raised to the power 3 is equal to 1000. Then how we can write this in the form of log? We can write log 1000 and base is 10. Then our value is, means how many times we multiply 100 to get 1000. So we multiply 10 into 10 into 10 3 times, so our answer should be 3. So this one is the meaning of log and exponential, means we can represent any real positive number n in the form of two different representation, exponential as well as logarithmic presentation. Okay, so we will try to solve some question and how we can find the value of these all. So if we take some other example, log and value is 16 base 1 upon 2. What is the value of x? If you try to solve, then what is the value of x? This one is written in the form of logarithmic, so we can easily convert in the form of exponential form. So we can write 1 upon 2 raised to the power x is equal to 16. First step done. In second step, you can write by using law of exponent, 2 raised to the power minus x is equal to 16, or we can write this complete value as 2 raised to the power 4. So if we have same base value, you can check here, we have 2 and again we have 2, so our base value is same, so we can easily check our this power must be equal. So what is the value of x? So minus x is equal to 4, then x is equal to minus 4. So value of x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. So in this way we can convert any log in the form of exponent and any exponent in the form of log. So one more question we will try to solve related to log. Question is given, what is the value of log 8 base root 2? Log 8 and base value is root 2. So you can check, let this value is x. So the given question is in the form of log. We try to convert this question in exponential form. So we can write root 2 and raised to the power x is equal to 8, or we can write 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8, or we can write root 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 2 and complete power 3. So we can easily write root 2 raised to the power 6. So what is the step how we can do this type of question? First, try to equate the base value. If our base value is root 2, then write the next side in the form of root 2. So base is same, so x can be written directly is equal to x is equal to 6 directly. Okay, so this one is the log, how we can write any number in form of log or in form of exponent. We have some basic property related to log, so some important point which are related to log. Some point regarding some lagging issue is there. Log n base a. Some point regarding log n base a. Our first condition is log n base a is written. Then first of all, our n must be greater than 0 is the first condition of log. Second condition is a must be greater than 0 and a should be not equal to 1. We can't take value of a is equal to 1. If you take a is equal to 1, then it becomes constant function. So in next topic we will discuss what is the meaning of constant function. Okay, so second things, so we will try to solve one more question and some properties which are related to the log. So one question is given, what is the value of log n? Third property is log n base n. As we know, log n base n means how many times we multiply n to get n, means only one time. So our answer should be 1. You can check by convert in the form of exponent also, or let's say log n base n, just consider this value as x. So we can write n raised to the power x is equal to n. So what should be the value of x? X is equal to 1. So we can convert log in the form of exponent. After that we can find the value of x. We can do like this. In next you can do, if some question is given like log of tan 20 degree, before that try to find some value like log of 1 upon n and base value is n. So just consider this value is equal to minus 1. So how this value is minus 1? Proof. Let this complete value is equal to n. Log 1 upon n and base n is equal to x. So we can write n raised to the power x is equal to 1 upon n, or we can write n raised to the power minus 1. So we can compare the value of x which is equal to minus 1. So we can find the value of log by first change in the exponent form and you can easily find the value. So these all are some basic value. Next one is fifth. What is the value of log 1 base any number n? This value is equal to 0. I will show you proof. You can check, let log 1 base n is equal to x. Okay, so we can write n raised to the power x is equal to 1. So what is the value of x here? Any number with power 0 is equal to 1. So x is equal to here 0. So always remember, log 1 base n is equal to 0, log 1 upon n base n is equal to minus 1, log n base n is equal to 1. In this way we can remember. So how we can apply these all concept in any question? So try to solve one question and we will show the result. Question is given, log tan 70 degree, means this question are related to log as well as trigonometry. So try to solve this question. Log tan 70 degree, tan 70 degree, and our base value is tan 20 degree, tan 20 degree. So what we can write? We can write log tan 70 degree can be written as tan 90 minus 20 degree, tan 90 minus 20 degree, and this value tan 20 can be written as tan 20 degree. In next step you can write tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta using the complementary. So log, we can write tan 90 minus theta as equal to cot 20, and this value is tan 20, so write this one as tan 20. Just consider this value is equal to x. So we need to find the value of x. How we can find the value of x? This complete question is written in the form of log, so we can convert in the form of exponent. So we need to write tan 20 degree and raised to the power x is equal to cot 20 degree, cot 20 degree. But we can also write cot 20 degree as 1 upon tan 20 degree. So write down 1 upon tan 20 degree. Okay, again we can write this one as tan 20 and raised to the power minus 1. So you can check what is the value of x here. So the value of x, in this case our base value is same, base value is tan 20 here, and again here we have tan 20. So power must be equal, so x is equal to minus 1. So what is the value of this complete value? 1, not 1, minus 1. So in this way you can find the log value. So I hope everything is clear till here. If you have any confusion, you may comment, I will make another video. Next one is, we have some basic properties of log, means how we can apply some basic properties and how we can find the value of some other log. So first one is some basic properties of log. Basic properties. First one is, if we have two different log value, first log is log m base n. So log m, give me 1 minute. Okay, so you can check log m and base value is, let's say, a, plus second value is log n and base value is a given, then the value of log m base a plus log n base a is equal to log m into n and base a. Means if two log with same base having summation, then we can write in the product form. This is the first rule. Second properties is, if two log is in subtraction form minus log n base a, then we can write log m divide upon n with same base. This is the second important properties. Third one is log a and m raised to the power n is given, so we can write n take as outside and log m base a. Okay, fourth one is, if log m is here and a raised to the power b, this time base have power, so we can write base power as 1 upon b and log m base a directly. Okay, So using this all formula, we can find some log value. So I will show you how we can find the value of log 1 by 1. So I hope no one have confusion till here. If anyone have any doubt, you can ask by in comment section. Next one is, we can check how we can find the value of log and how we can find the value of anti-log. So I will discuss these two topics in next video in part 3 of log. So thank you everyone, have a nice day.